if? What if all this technology is about a paradigm shift?
AI and computer interactions. If you're into this stuff, this creator is great. Deep thinking on all kinds of AI issues. In this one, they're talking about how we're going to be talking to computers in a different way. Right now we have this weird antiquated system where we're bent over a keyboard typing like this and hurting our wrists and moving a mouse around. But that's not how humans communicate. The Gutenberg press itself is pretty new. We want to talk and we want to move like this. And that's what the future has in store for us. In this, my year of sci-fi, I'm reading The Dervish House by McDonald right now. It's wonderful. I'm going to go over other pieces about it. But the thing that this made me think of is the stockbroker in this one. And in the near future, just years away, we will be surrounded by screens. And they will be floating in the air using bots or cameras or whatever. And there will be AI to follow and track our movements. There will also be AI to talk into our ear about whatever it is that we're working on. This stockbroker is sitting here looking at all of these trades possible all over the world, talking with his buddy in another part of Turkey about what they can do, and diving into information, getting whispers in his ear about what makes sense. It's going to be a lot like computer-aided chess tournaments right now, where it's one human with one AI playing chess against another human and another AI. That's going to be the future of a lot of human business competition. And so, how would that work for you? If you could have these screens that have all the data of the stuff you're interested in. For me, I'm a science writer. So yes, I'm reading my paper version of Nature right now as I eat my breakfast. But as I want to get started creating, I want the hashtags of everything that goes to. I have a fairly digitized system. I can see where stuff is in my head, but I have to click around to get to it. If instead I could just whisper everything related to GABA and the endocannabinoid system, and it just appears, and I can see the various trails and tunnels that I made, and then it also, the AI is completing research paths in there. Here's some other papers that you haven't looked at yet that relates to it. Let me summarize the most important ones. And so, this new way of interacting with computers isn't that far away, and it's gonna be glorious, because it's so much more us. It's gonna be dance, and motion, and most of all, talking out loud. Not only will we be able to program our computers by talking, we'll be able to do all of our work by saying it out loud and having them interpret it. What I dream of is a day where I stop hurting my wrists with keyboards and I'm simply talking to an AI who's carrying out these orders.